Hey, y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called Can I Mix Modern and Traditional Elements in My Kitchen Design? Now, if you've ever felt torn between the sleek allure of modern design and the charming comforts of traditional style, you're not alone. Trying to merge these two worlds might seem like attempting to mix oil and water, but I'm here to tell you that it can be done, and done beautifully. So, let's stir the pot and explore how you can create a harmonious yet eclectic kitchen that's as inviting as grandma's apple pie with the finesse of a high-tech dream gadget. First off, let's clear the air. Blending modern and traditional elements is not only possible, it's downright stylish. The trick is to find balance. Start with an anchor, perhaps traditional cabinets with clean, simple lines. They provide character and grounding for more contemporary pieces like stainless steel appliances or a modern island with a waterfall countertop. It's like wearing a vintage watch with a crisp new suit. They complement each other, each piece elevating the other. Now I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Make sure your contractor knows how to execute these mixed styles without making it look like a garage sale explosion. The devil is in the details, and you want yours divine. Consider using color as your thread of continuity. A neutral palette with wood tones can act as your canvas, integrating modern pops with traditional undertones. Picture a subway tile backsplash adding a dash of texture and contrast, like a jazz number smoothly played over a classical composition, blending seamlessly yet strikingly distinct. What about lighting? It's transformative. Consider timeless chandeliers with modern fixtures to bring depth and drama over your island or dining table. You're setting the stage for a dialogue between eras that feels fresh and intentional. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Don't forget your hardware. Mixing metals is no longer a faux pas. Complement bold stainless steel with warm brass accents for cabinet handles. It's the perfect nod to old-world glamour, with a kiss of contemporary charm. One last whisper of sage advice. Embrace your instincts. This isn't about creating controversy, it's about showcasing dimension and flair. Blend, don't blur, show off a statement traditional piece or a punchy, modern artwork for that lasting impression. So there you have it. Forge a stylish synergy between worlds with confidence and create the kitchen that echoes with laughter, warmth, and elegance throughout the ages. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.